on. There we go. And then just check all the systems. Okay, so you see what I'm doing here. There are the falls. You can see that I'm currently at 26 feet. Okay, the home point's been updated. I'm looking at the falls. I'm going to give Becky, can you do both? Just go ahead. Just go ahead and keep it running.
There's.
Oh, thank you. I'll put it in my pocket.
And there's another one. Oh no.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So,
What am I doing?
you're just going to, you can keep it pointing at me. It'll keep focused on me. But every once in a while, I'll look at the drone. All right. So, Becky, now you're visual observer. That's more important than anything else. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So, I'm looking at my stats. Down here it says that I have 30 minutes of flight time. I'm only 4 feet away. I'm at 27 feet. Now I'm going to take it apart. Okay, am I clear to trees, Becky?
Yes.
All right. The pilot needs to be in contact with Rebecca or whoever is the visual observer. Battery is at 86%.
Copy.
Now, because we don't have a searcher, I'm doing the flying and looking at things. Right now, she could be looking at the iPad and would give her everything she needs to know. Now, Becky, the thing I'm really working on is trying to make this smooth because, you know, it's always harder to make it smooth. Okay, what's my status, Becky? Am I safe?
Yes, you are.
All right. Okay, we're 70 feet away and at 108 feet. %. Okay, Becky, my intention is to head toward the falls and get a good shot of the falls. Now, because I'm part 107, I can go over 400 feet as long as I'm within 400 feet of the cliff.
What is your elevation?
My current elevation is 225. See, you see where my arm was holding up there? I don't even do that. It was uncomfortable. Oh, currently 200 feet away, and I'm at 300 feet.
Okay. You're about to go out of view.
Okay.
Okay. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay. You.
Is it view?
I I can't. Okay, you're going to need to go up.
Okay, hold on just a second. Let me see what I'm looking at now. Okay, again, this right now could be search and rescue. So I'm looking at the rocks, I'm looking at the crevices, I'm looking straight down.
There is a tree.
Is it left or right of my position?
It is to the right.
Okay, so I'm going to move towards the falls.
No. Gary?
I'm listening.
Okay, you need to go, you're going down or away or something.
I'm not moving right now.
Can you please move higher and to the left?
Okay, well, I have to tell you, the one thing we have to watch on this is on the next flight, we have it set for max.
Okay, Gary, okay, go ahead.
All right, let's do an update. Becky was giving me a little help trying to make sure that I was safe. Now, if I had to take the risk, I would take the risk. I just wanted to talk to you.
Is it all good?
It's all good. It's looking great. I'm currently at 70%. I have 21 minutes left.
What's your elevation?
My elevation is 328, and I have to make it a point to make sure that next time that I change my max safety elevation. I'm good, but I need to change it because right now I can't go up to the top. Now legally I can go up there, but I have it set so that I can't, and I don't want to play with
Okay, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Everything's being recorded, so I'll just video it. Okay, so I'm going to move toward the falls, Becky.
Where? You'll be out of view.
Just tell me when I'm out of view.
Hang on. Let me get... Okay, stop.
All right.
I can't find you.
All right, well, I know where I'm at.
I looked down to see where I was moving to, and
so
you're gone.
If I were in search and rescue and looking at this, is the airspace clear around where I was at?
Yeah.
Okay, I can see where I'm at very clearly with the
Okay, come. You need to come back towards us, please.
I will after I do a search here. So here I am, I'm searching. Now in this situation, if I'm looking for somebody, she may not be able to see me, but she can still see the airspace around me.
Okay, stop.
Yes.
I think if I see you, you're going to need to move to the right.
Move right?
Correct. There you go. Yeah. Now stop. Can you go up?
No, I can't go higher than...
Okay, because you're right. In my view, it's right at the tree line.
Okay, well, I can look down on all the trees. Just looking around.
Do not go forward don't go any further.
And what's really good about this, Becky, is you can see where you are right now, telling me that I am in line with the trees. But I can see here that I'm safe. But we have to have oh, by the way, look, see that down there? That's the home point. The home point says where I'm at. Just go ahead and take a look at Forest Falls while I'm up here. We're up here at Big Falls. All right. Moving along with it, you can see that. Okay. Now, if somebody had fallen from the falls and we were looking for them, we could look from here. And I'm going to move toward the falls.
Well, now stop. I can't see you. You're in the tree. You're in the trees. Okay. In my view, you're in the trees. So
all right.
You'll need to go back.
Well, in this situation, I know I'm okay. I'm going to move a little bit closer.
Can you move closer to us?
No, I'm close to the falls.
Okay. You're out of my view.
Okay. Just let me look. I'm simulating looking for somebody's lost. Is the rest of the airspace clear? Are there any birds or helicopters or anything they need to worry about?
I don't see anything. I hear a plane, but I don't see anything.
But we're below it. So we're looking down on area, looking straight down. There are the pools.
Are you moving?
No, I'm seeing one spot. Again, what she sees is different than what I see because of her perspective. So we have to be able to see in here, and remembering we're not looking at IR. Becky, I'm currently at 56%. I have 17 minutes. So I'm gonna look at the falls. I'm gonna back away from the falls.
Okay, you're not moving
I'm backing away.
towards us.
Yeah.
Same elevation,
Yep.
not moving right or left.
Right. I'm at 324.
You're following your same path in?
Yep. You see it right now?
No.
Okay.
Oh, pause.
Yes.
I think I might see it. Can you move to the right just a little?
Yep. Okay, you move to the right. All right. So my military right.
Okay, that's it. Yes, I see you. Stop there. You're right in the center of it.
Okay.
You're
Well,
clear.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to look down this way so they can see what it looks like. Looking around. I'm bringing the bird back, Becky,
Okay,
because I'm at 50%.
sounds good.
Gives me time. You can see where we're at. Now, there are the trees right there. You guys all see that? Those are all drone-eating trees. So I'm going to pull over here. I'm going to go straight out. I can see the home point at the bottom. Now, look. The distance is going down. So I'm going towards the home point. Now at this point, I'm not losing altitude. I'm just going distance. I'm going to give it a little more speed, make it a little bit faster because I am at 51%. I'm only 350 feet away, Becky.
Yeah, I see you.
All right. How's you looking?
It's all clear.
All right. No, 320 feet. Now, in this forested area, I want to try to make that as close to zero as possible
How,
for the distance.
what's your elevation?
It's 300 feet.
Okay.
All right.
It looks like you're right on top of us.
We're at 74, 60,
You're,
50.
you're passing us.
Okay, so now we find the home point. Let's find that. Okay, so you can see this. I love you guys seeing this. Because you can see how hard it is to find each other at. Oh, okay. All right. Straight down. See the bottom there showing straight down? All right. There's an arrow that now I'm looking straight down and it's coming down towards me. Oh, and there I am right there. Okay, I'm at 176 feet. Becky,
Yes.
do you see me?
Yes.
Am I coming straight down to me?
Yes.
Okay. Now that I'm at 100 feet, I'm going to leave my goggles on. Okay, and I'm just going to leave them on. Okay, look up and say hi.
Hi.
Oh, wait. Let me get this up. There we go. All right. So, what we just did was gave you a chance to see what it looks like from a drone point of view. Now, the next step is for us to train a pilot that we can do this and be very effective. How cool is that? All righty then. Okay, so I'm going to land it now, and you can watch me do that. Was that cool?